Pocket-sized and built for practicality, everyday carry gadgets are the ultimate tools for tackling life's daily challenges with ease. As innovations continue to reshape their functionality and style, finding the right gear can feel like an adventure in itself. Ready to upgrade your EDC lineup? Check out this curated selection of 95 coolest EDC gear and gadgets, perfect for men who value both utility and style. Watch the video and discover your next must-have essentials. Discover the versatility of the Grimm EDC Micro Tool System, a compact set of 21 micro tools designed to be easily carried on keychains, backpacks, or even as a necklace. Crafted from highly corrosion-resistant, surgical-grade hardened stainless steel, these tools are grouped into 7 bundles of 3, all neatly stored in a single slim sleeve for effortless organization and quiet portability. Thanks to its custom-designed tool retention system, any detachable component can be reattached securely in its original position. Measuring under 1 mm thick and roughly the size of a large paperclip, this toolset offers an impressive range of functionality. It includes bottle openers, can openers, clip tools, a tension wrench, multi-wrench, fishing hooks, spool needles, a double-sided saw, arrowhead, small saw, tweezers, a handcuff key and shim, a box opener, earbud holder, comb, a small carrying tin, a bundle clip, and a sheath featuring the Grimm logo. If you're considering adding reliable and multifunctional EDC gear to your collection, the Grimm EDC Micro Tool System is a smart choice. For an everyday carry knife that balances performance and portability, the Benchmade Mini Bugout 533 is an outstanding choice. At a mere 1.62 ounces, this ultralight folding knife offers top-tier features in a compact package. Its drop-point blade, crafted from CPMS 90Fe super premium stainless steel, excels in edge retention and toughness, with a sleek satin finish that enhances its modern aesthetic. The black milled carbon fiber handle is both lightweight and robust, designed for durability without sacrificing style. It's accented with earthy Bordeaux and blue anodized highlights, giving it a contemporary flair. The axis locking mechanism ensures smooth, reliable blade deployment, while the reversible mini deep carry pocket clip makes it equally convenient for both left and right-handed users. With an open length of 6.49 inches and a closed length of just 3.7 inches, this knife is pocket-friendly and practical. The addition of a lanyard hole provides even more versatility for carrying options. The Nightcore MT2C Pro flashlight combines compactness with high performance, making it an essential everyday carry for everything from routine use to outdoor escapades. With a brilliant 1800 lumen high mode and a practical 50 lumen low mode, it provides adaptable lighting to suit diverse needs. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this flashlight is built to last while maintaining a lightweight, portable design. It runs on a Nightcore 18650 rechargeable battery, offering an impressive runtime of up to 28 hours. Additionally, it supports RCR123A or CR123A batteries, although with reduced performance. With a beam throw reaching up to 520 meters, it excels in long-distance illumination. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures it stands strong against challenging environments. Weighing only 2.26 ounces and measuring 4.63 inches, the MT2C Pro is a perfect blend of power, durability, and pocket-sized convenience. Locks seem to be everywhere these days, and the Jibbon Key Organizer is here to help you stay organized and stress-free. Designed to combine style, functionality, and expert craftsmanship, it's the perfect solution to keep all your keys in one place. Crafted from premium top-grain Italian leather with rolled edges for enhanced durability, this key organizer exudes elegance while remaining highly practical. Its innovative patented spring lock mechanism allows for a secure, tool-free setup. Meanwhile, marine-grade 316 stainless steel components are thoughtfully hidden to prevent scratches on your belongings. With the capacity to hold 3 to 9 keys and an included D-ring for your car fob, this versatile accessory is built for the demands of modern life. The Trayvax Contour is the kind of wallet that elevates your daily routine with its seamless functionality and sophisticated design. Combining a CNC machined metal frame, available in titanium, brass, or stainless steel, with premium top-grain oil-tanned leather, this wallet exudes a refined aesthetic that stands out. Its slim design is ideal for front pocket carry, making it as practical as it is stylish. Capable of holding up to 13 cards and 10 bills, the Contour doesn't compromise on capacity. It also features thoughtful additions like an integrated bottle opener and an adjustable sliding clasp for added convenience. With built-in RFID protection, your personal information stays secure against digital theft. Available in striking color combinations such as titanium with tobacco brown leather or the rugged raw Mississippi mud, this wallet is crafted to suit a variety of preferences. Everyone appreciates the simplicity of a lightweight key that's easy to carry. GK's Mini Keychain gadget elevates this convenience by integrating multiple essential tools into one compact design. This tiny key fits effortlessly on your keychain, in your pocket, or even in your wallet, and it's TSA-friendly, ensuring smooth travel. Constructed from durable 420 stainless steel and weighing just 0.7 ounces, the GK boasts over 16 functions, including a bike spoke key, Phillips drive, open wrench, scoring tip, box cutter, serrated edge, can opener, wire stripper, file, ruler, closed wrench, and more. Whether you're tightening a screw or opening a bottle, this versatile multi-tool is ready for any challenge. Illuminating your daily paths or hiking trails becomes effortless with a powerful yet compact lighting gadget that fits right in your pocket. That's why we're excited about the Nightcore EDC35, a high-performance rechargeable flashlight that delivers an impressive 5,000 lumens. This powerful flashlight boasts a reach of up to 550 meters, making it ideal for covering large areas. With a runtime of up to 90 hours, it's a reliable choice for extended outdoor adventures. Equipped with the advanced Nightlab Ultralight Intensity 40 Max LED, this EDC gadget offers exceptional lighting performance. Powered by a built-in 6,000 mAh 21,700 lithium-ion battery, the Nightcore EDC35 provides long-lasting power with the convenience of USB-C charging. Its compact and lightweight design, made from aerospace-grade aluminum, includes special features like the innovative lumen shield for enhanced functionality. The tail stand feature allows for hands-free illumination, making it versatile for camping gear and everyday carry. Experience ultra-high brightness and durability with the Nightcore EDC35, a flashlight that truly stands out. The Victorinox Swiss Champ pocket knife stands as a versatile and time-tested tool, revered by outdoors enthusiasts, adventurers, and everyday individuals for generations. With its extensive array of features and capabilities, this pocket knife has earned its place as one of the finest multi-tools available. Boasting 33 functions, the Swiss Champ is an all-in-one tool ready to tackle virtually any task. From cutting and slicing to opening cans and bottles, this pocket knife is up to the challenge. Its components include large and small blades, a bottle opener, a screwdriver, scissors, pliers, and even a magnifying glass, eliminating the need for carrying separate gear for each purpose. The Swiss Champ is skillfully constructed from durable ABS or Celador, providing both robustness and a slim profile. Measuring a mere 3.5 inches when closed, this pocket knife effortlessly fits into your pocket, backpack, or glove compartment. Remarkably, despite its extensive capabilities, it weighs just 6.5 ounces, ensuring it remains lightweight and easily manageable in the palm of your hand. In a world where speed and convenience are essential, the Magflash 2-in-1 cable is designed to meet these demands. This innovative cable offers ultra-fast charging with its 100-watt power delivery and includes built-in data storage, available in capacities of up to 512 GB. Eliminate the need for separate cables and storage devices with this all-in-one solution, featuring a sleek, durable design. Its universal compatibility ensures smooth functionality across smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Made from high-quality materials, the Magflash 2-in-1 cable is built to last. Whether you're on the go or handling everyday tasks, this cable streamlines your tech setup with easy firmware updates that keep it future-ready. Experience a more organized and efficient tech experience with the Magflash 2-in-1 cable, the ultimate tool for today's tech-savvy users. The SHGEEEK Capsule is a versatile and portable EDC gadget that combines multiple functions into a compact, lightweight design. Its cyberpunk aesthetic makes it easy to carry in your pocket or backpack. Equipped with a high-capacity battery and a 20-watt USB-C port, the SHGEEEK Capsule provides fast charging for various devices, including smartphones, iPads, and switches, ensuring a convenient and reliable power source on the go. In addition to its charging capabilities, the SHGEEEK Capsule features 4 timer modes. It includes a precise gravity sensing system and functions as a digital clock, visual timer, digital hourglass, and Pomodoro timer, making it perfect for efficient time management. The clear LED display, which supports 3 levels of brightness adjustment, is easy to read and user-friendly for all ages. With its array of features, the SHGEEEK Capsule is an excellent addition to any EDC gadget collection. No EDC gear collection is complete without a dependable knife, and the Civ Elementum 2 is a top-notch option. Equipped with a secure button lock, it provides safe and confident cutting, making it ideal for anyone. This easy-to-use knife also makes a great gift, even for those who aren't typically knife enthusiasts. The Civ Elementum 2 features a sharp blade crafted from Nitro V stainless steel, perfect for everyday tasks. Its handle, made with G10 laminated plastic, offers a secure and comfortable grip. Additionally, the lightweight design fits well in the hand and includes a deep carry pocket clip designed for right-handed users. Versatile and effective, Civ Elementum 2 is great for a range of tasks, from opening boxes and cutting rope to sharpening pencils and light outdoor activities during camping. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty against material and workmanship defects, ensuring lasting reliability. Elegantly blend practicality and style with the Belroy Apex Slim Sleeve. This minimalist EDC wallet is designed to keep your essentials organized effortlessly throughout the day. Crafted with durable pre-molded leather, it ensures both longevity and sophistication. Its slim profile ensures comfort whether it's nestled in your back pocket or front pocket. The wallet's sleek design is further enhanced by heat-bonded construction, eliminating the need for bulky stitching. Choose from a range of classy color options, including matte black, pepper blue, and indigo. What truly sets this wallet apart is its security feature. RFID blocking provides peace of mind against digital theft. In sum, the Belroy Apex Slim Sleeve offers a perfect balance of security, comfort, and style for a seamless carrying experience. Introducing the VSSL Java Coffee Grinder, a must-have for coffee aficionados whether you're at home or on the go. This hand grinder enhances your coffee ritual with 50 distinct grind settings, allowing you to achieve the perfect consistency for a cup brimming with balanced flavor and aroma. Effortlessly transform beans into your favorite brew in under a minute with its high-carbon stainless steel burr, extendable grinder handle, and ergonomic grip. Weighing in at less than a pound, it's highly portable. Plus, when the handle is not in use, it conveniently locks into a carabiner position for secure transport. The Java ensures grind size consistency, making it your ideal companion for a flavorful coffee experience. Imagine having a collection of bit drivers right at your fingertips, fitting comfortably in your pocket. With the Tactica M250, this is a reality. This compact tool features 12 hex drive tools, providing the versatility needed to handle a variety of tasks and projects with ease. But the Tactica M250 offers even more. It comes with a specially designed holster, equipped with a magnet for easy storage and a belt clip for convenient carrying. Whether you're tightening screws, assembling furniture, adjusting bicycles, or repairing electronics, this hex toolkit is ready for the job. Additionally, weighing just around 4.5 ounces, each screwdriver is coated with a synthetic layer that resists rust and prevents scratches, keeping it as shiny and pristine as the day you got it. Tired of constantly searching for misplaced keys, phones, and other essentials? Meet the Keysmart Max, your go-to solution. This clever accessory not only organizes your keys, but also includes a mobile app to help you track down any that go missing. But there's more. Equipped with a built-in 28 to 30 lumens flashlight, it makes navigating dark spaces a breeze, so you'll never fumble with keyholes again. Plus, the multi-toolbar features a convenient bottle opener and flathead screwdriver, adding even more functionality. Designed with convenience in mind, the Keysmart Max holds up to 14 keys and easily attaches car key fobs and other tools using the included black loop ring. Made from durable polycarbonate plastic, its compact design fits effortlessly into pockets, purses, or backpacks, keeping your essentials close at hand. When life gets hectic, having reliable gadgets in a practical yet stylish everyday carry bag can make all the difference. With the Bagismo Crossbody Bag, you can step out confidently, knowing that everything you need is within reach. Crafted in Europe from high-quality Swiss materials, this bag combines elegance with practicality. Its slim design ensures a sleek look, whether worn over a shirt or discreetly under a jacket. Thoughtfully designed compartments keep all your essentials organized and easily accessible, so you never have to fumble around. Additionally, the integrated NFC chip keeps you digitally connected, allowing you to store and share information effortlessly. Whether you opt for the textile or leather version, the Bagismo Crossbody Bag is a minimalist yet stylish companion for navigating modern life with ease. Have you ever considered carrying a fixed blade as your everyday knife? The Bornus by Ween might just change your perspective. Designed from the ground up to be lightweight, durable, and perfectly balanced for city living, yet rugged enough for the great outdoors, the Bornus fits comfortably in your hand and handles a wide range of tasks with ease. Crafted in Sweden, the Bornus offers a choice of wood or G10 handle materials paired with CPMS 35VN steel, known for its exceptional strength and edge retention. It comes with a secure Kydex sheath, making it a dependable companion whether you're navigating urban environments or exploring more challenging terrains. The Bornus seamlessly blends functionality with style, making it a standout option for everyday carry. In our daily activities, an EDC multi-tool is an essential gadget that can tackle a variety of problems efficiently. Enter the Leatherman SuperTool 300, a versatile and reliable EDC gadget that is definitely worth the investment. Constructed from stainless steel, this multi-tool boasts 19 different tools, making it an ideal addition to your everyday carry arsenal. The SuperTool 300 features the strongest pliers Leatherman has ever produced. Its handle is designed for a secure grip even when wearing gloves, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. The all-locking mechanism ensures that every tool and blade locks firmly when fully opened, providing enhanced safety and security. Included in the SuperTool 300 are needle nose pliers, stranded wire cutters, premium replaceable wire cutters, an electrical crimper, a wire stripper, a 420HC serrated knife, a saw, a can opener, a bottle opener, a replaceable C4 punch, a cleaning brush adapter with a thread loop, a ruler, a Phillips screwdriver, and more. The Super Tool 300 is an excellent choice for lightening your load while upgrading your gear. Introducing the Matador Droplet, a thoughtfully designed water-resistant stuff sack housed in a sleek silicone shell. This compact and convenient accessory can be effortlessly attached to your keychain or backpack, ensuring it's always within reach. With a spacious capacity, the Droplet's sealed seams and water-resistant material offer reliable protection for damp items, or safeguard your dry essentials from the elements. Perfect for storing a wet swimsuit or gym gear, the Droplet shields your belongings from splashes and light rain, though it's not intended for full submersion. The drawstring closure makes accessing your item simple, and the attached keyring provides easy and versatile carrying options. Small yet mighty, the Droplet stays neatly tucked away in its pocket-sized silicone case until you need it. A compact and powerful EDC flashlight can greatly enhance productivity during nighttime activities or in situations with unwanted darkness. The Wuben G2, featuring the Osram P9 LED, delivers up to 500 lumens and has a beam distance of 46 millimeters. With 5 adjustable modes, you can tailor the lighting to match the intensity of darkness and your specific needs. The flashlight charges via a Type-C port and fully recharges in just 1.5 hours, ensuring you're never left unprepared in an emergency. Additionally, the charger remains cool during use. The Wuben G2 also boasts a super wide-angle floodlight, capable of illuminating a vast area. The big Idea Design TI2 is the pinnacle of premium custom CNC milled screwdrivers. Crafted from solid grade 5 titanium alloy, it delivers top-tier quality, exceptional craftsmanship, and practical functionality that stands the test of time. Featuring a reliable frame-lock design, it ensures a secure grip and lasting durability, making it a tool you can trust. This compact and versatile screwdriver comes equipped with 4 hex bits and a 40mm articulated extension arm, allowing for smooth one-handed operation. Internal rare earth magnets hold the bit securely in place, while a removable pocket clip and lanyard opening provide convenient carrying options. Additionally, the hex bits can be swapped with your standard ones to customize your everyday carry setup. Built from solid titanium with stainless steel components, this screwdriver offers a lifetime warranty and combines the feel of a high-end titanium knife with the precision of a sleek premium screwdriver. A pocket clip can significantly enhance the convenience and security of carrying your everyday carry gadgets. The Leatherman pocket clip is a perfect solution for making your multi-tool more portable and accessible. This versatile accessory allows you to securely attach your multi-tool to your pocket, belt, or bag, keeping it within easy reach whenever you need it. The Leatherman pocket clip is compatible with a wide range of tools, including the free series, Bond, Curl, Surge, Wave Plus, Charge Plus, TTI, Sidekick, Wingman, and the Mutt multi-tool. Installation and removal are simple, allowing you to easily switch the clip between tools or adjust its position to your liking. The Leatherman pocket clip comes in a sleek stainless steel finish or a non-reflective black oxide finish, letting you choose the one that best matches your style. Looking for a multi-tool that handles everyday tasks? The EDC Fans Keychain Knife is exactly what you need. Out of the many multi-tools we've tested, this one excels in several crucial areas and has quickly become a standout in our collection. Crafted from sleek stainless steel, this multi-tool combines 8 essential functions in a compact design. Whether you're opening a box, tightening a bolt, or popping open a cold drink, this versatile tool has you covered. It includes a knife, wrench, screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, pry bar, and scraper, ensuring you're always prepared. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for everyday use, camping, and hiking. With a secure locking mechanism and keychain clip, it's always within reach, ready for any task. The EDC Fans Keychain Knife is a reliable companion, turning everyday challenges into creative solutions. As everyday carry knives become essential for daily cutting tasks, the MAXA knife capsule stands out as a must-have tool. This compact, sleek knife not only fits comfortably in your pocket, but also delivers exceptional performance with its razor-sharp Bowler M390 Tanto blade. The Cerakoted titanium handle is not only strikingly attractive, but also remarkably tough and lightweight. The flipper opener ensures snappy and satisfying blade deployment, while the liner lock guarantees safety during use. Designed for convenience, the knife features a tip-up pocket clip for easy right-side carry. Effortless in slicing through boxes and handling more precise tasks, the MAXA knife capsule is a reliable and stylish companion, elevating the everyday carry experience to the next level. Meet the True Utility Fish Face, a compact multi-tool that easily slips into your pocket while offering 18 essential functions for everyday tasks. This cleverly designed tool includes screwdrivers, wrenches, a bottle opener, and more, all packed into a slim, lightweight form. Constructed from stainless steel, the fish face is built for durability and strength, making it reliable for various uses. Its compact size allows for easy attachment to a keychain or carrying in your pocket, ensuring you're always prepared. Whether you're fixing something at home, opening a bottle, or handling an emergency, the fish face is both user-friendly and versatile. Simplify your daily tasks and be ready for anything with the True Utility Fish Face, the pocket-sized powerhouse. This is the Big Idea Design Lookout, a finely crafted knife made for front pocket carry. Despite its compact 6.2-inch total length and 2.2-inch blade, it provides a comfortable, full 4-finger grip. The Lookout comes in two high-end versions. The standard model features premium Bowler M 390 steel and Grade 5 titanium scales, while the USA line upgrades to MagnaCut steel with Grade 5 titanium screws for enhanced toughness. Handle options include a tumbled finish, black G10, and tigerwood, catering to different style preferences. Each knife is equipped with two Kydex sheaths for ambidextrous carry and a titanium deep carry pocket clip, offering both practicality and security for everyday use. With its sleek design and outstanding performance, the Lookout has quickly become a top pick in 2023 EDC lists, earning its place as a reliable tool for those who prioritize quality and utility in their gear. Check out the Leatherman Skeletool CX, an ultralight full-size multi-tool designed with essential features for everyday use and easy carrying. It includes needle nose and regular pliers, hard and soft wire cutters, a bottle opener, a large bit driver, and a premium 154 cm steel knife blade. The multi-tool's design allows access to all tools while folded or closed, similar to a pocket knife. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to provide reliable performance for years to come. Each tool can be opened and operated with one hand, keeping the other hand free. With its tungsten-coated steel handle and lightweight 5.8-ounce build, it's an indispensable tool for any survival situation. Everyone faces daily cutting tasks, which often go beyond just slicing vegetables or paper. They can involve cutting pipes, opening boxes, or even tailoring fabrics. That's where the Workpro utility knife excels. This everyday carry knife is built entirely from stainless steel, offering a compact, versatile, and lightweight design. Its one-hand flip feature allows for quick blade exposure, ensuring ease and convenience in any situation. In addition, the Workpro utility knife includes a fast blade change mechanism, making it a favorite among users. This efficient design makes swapping out blades simple, perfect for cutting a wide range of materials like paper, cardboard, plastic, linoleum, and more. The Nightcore EDC29 flashlight combines compact design with powerful performance, ideal for everyday carry. Delivering a stunning 6,500 lumens with a beam reaching up to 437 yards, This flashlight uses the advanced Nightcore UHI Max LED to switch between floodlight and spotlight modes, suiting a variety of lighting needs. With 4 brightness settings, a dedicated spotlight mode, and a strobe feature, it's designed for maximum versatility. An integrated OLED display provides essential information, including brightness level, battery voltage, and remaining runtime. Powered by a 2,500 mAh Li-ion battery, the EDC29 offers up to 61 hours of runtime on ultra-low mode and recharges fully in just 1 hour and 15 minutes via USB-C. Its IP54 water resistance and 1 meter impact resistance make it a rugged choice for any environment. Check out the INWA Bluetooth bicycle speaker, a must-have for your everyday carry when hitting the road or trails. This compact speaker packs clear, quality sound, letting you enjoy your favorite tunes while biking, walking, or hiking. A key feature is its long-lasting battery, with up to 8 to 12 hours of playtime, so you're set for all-day outings without worrying about a recharge. Whether it's a long ride or a hike, the INWA keeps the music going. Easy to install with a simple bike mount, the speaker comes with 2 anti-slip pads for a snug fit, keeping it secure on your frame throughout your ride. Plus, it's got a built-in mic for hands-free calls, so you stay connected wherever your adventure takes you. Meet the Kershaw Brace 2085 drop point neck knife, a rugged yet compact blade crafted for EDC enthusiasts who demand both reliability and performance. This full-tang powerhouse is forged from 8CR18 MOV steel with a rugged stone-washed finish, designed to handle everything from daily tasks to emergency situations without breaking a sweat. The stainless steel handle offers a secure ergonomic grip and includes a removable glass-filled nylon overlay, boosting durability while keeping it lightweight and adaptable. Carrying is a breeze with the included molded polypropylene neck sheath and an adjustable paracord, giving you on-the-go accessibility without compromising safety. Engineered for strength, quick deployment, and all-around utility, the Kershaw Brace 2085 is a must-have in any serious EDC lineup.